MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Ketana Tourism ba polling do olong ba kayem bishar Meghalaya High Court kalapan scam ya gejingtmu jongka Sorkar ban Kynriah ya Nongdie Madan na gisrok Khyndai lad syagi jaka bala itu rak Sorkar. Habakren jikilap thai bor ba pol ulakam ba Ketana Shillong Municipal Board kalap biang pura kinong trei ban Pynksan ba kejing Kynriah ya Nongdie jingdie Madan na Khyndai lad kan yat bej renti. Ba pol ulong ba ka arpa arterik naitung ke Sorkar ka kermen ba baro Nongdie jingdie Madan kin ko ngo ya gejing tha ke Sorkar ban Kynriah no syagi jaka bala Pynkre ban beteng ya kakam di jingdi. Hadimala Kynriah lut ya barok kinong di jingdi Madan nagi serok Khyndai lad ke Sorkar kan pen internet bahkan pen bena bah ya kani kathan kum gajaka ya kijat pedestrian zone batang kitu ki bahasa ha tu kathan kin yo ban ya kali kataru ya kapor on sapen bej hadian ya kani lapan pau ba polling do bari menteri jongkatana tourism.
Well, we have adequate manpower, and also the High Court verdict has in fact strengthened our case, and by 22nd of July we expect complete compliance by all vendors before the 22nd
of
July, meaning everything will be freezed on that day itself. One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Khyndai up to Jail Road on the right side and Sorsun on the left side.
So there will be beautification.
Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit timing. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there will be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area. Muda, we almost it's available now. Everything is already in place, and this is phase one. Once we are successful in phase one, we will then take up the remaining phases. Are you saying that the street is their natural habitat, their home? We have done much than what any other government would have done. Gone out of our way, invested in that space, and given them more than a year's time to relocate. So we've been very fair.
MeghalayaPost.news.